Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of e to the power of lambda s, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we do second the derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one going here, this one going here, and this one going here. Next, e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So we have lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 5 equals to number 0. And now I will put this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have lambda equals to negative number 1 plus 2i. This is about complex unit. And we have lambda equals to negative number 1, negative number 2i. So we have yc equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda t. So we change lambda into this one. And we have c number 2, e to the power of lambda t. So we put this one going here. So in this situation, we can write another way. That's about c number 1, e to the power of negative t. And we have sine 2t. And c number 2, e to the power of negative t cosine 2t. Next, we need to go particular solutions. Now we go back in here. So we have 5 sine 2t. So we need to put about yb equals to a sine 2t and b cosine 2t. And now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 2a cosine 2t minus number 2b sine 2t. Because we do first the derivative of sine 2t, we have 2 cosine 2t. First derivative of cosine 2t, we have negative number 2 sine 2t. And now we do second derivative of this one. And we have negative number 4a sine 2t, negative number 4b cosine 2t. Next, I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and the last one will go in here. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of cosine 2t and sine 2t. About cosine 2t, we have negative 4b, and we have number 2 and 2a, we have 4a. 5 with b. The next one, that's about sine 2t. So we have negative 4a. The next one, we have number 2 and negative 2b. And that's about negative 4b. And we have 5a. So 5b negative number 4, we have positive b. Negative 4a, 5a, we have positive a. Next, coefficient of sine 2t, that is about number 5. So negative 4b plus a equal to number 5. About this one, we don't have cosine 2t, so this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to 5 over 17, b equals to negative number 20 over 17. And now we put a and b go in here. So a equal to 5 over 17, b equals to negative number 20 over 17. And now we have the final answer. Y equals to yc plus yb. Yc, that is about this one. Yb, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.